What does America do better than most other countries? 1. Just for context, I'm Polish. I truly believe that Americans have this weird thing about believing in themselves. For example, I don't believe I will become the person I want to be. I don't believe I will achieve anything in my life. I don't believe I will be happy in my life. Then, I watch people from America who believe they can do anything, and they just go for it. Does it always work? No, but it gives them a way higher chance than mine when I don't believe. 2. 21 years ago, the United States was able to deploy forces halfway across the world, roll into Baghdad, and conquer Iraq in less than 1 month with only a few hundred American deaths. By contrast, Russia still hasn't even gotten to Kiev after 3 years of fighting, despite Ukraine being Russia's neighbor. And Russia has suffered 750,000 dead and wounded in the process. 3. Enthusiasm. I live in Ireland, and we're all miserable pricks, as are most